how to route your audio, your OBS audio to Voicemeeter, so that you can be able to control it here too, as we did for our computer general audio. That way, Voicemeeter handles all, as we did for our computer audio in Voice AUX 1. So that way, Voicemeeter handles all the audio in the system rather than some going somewhere it's not supposed to go to. So first thing, you come to your Voicemeeter. I'm currently using it to record. So when you click on settings, you go to audio, you scroll down to monitoring device. You set your monitoring device to Voicemeeter input. It's usually in default. So set it into Voicemeeter input so that it goes into your Voicemeeter input, virtual input dock, and you click on apply and press OK. So this automatically, when you now come to your Voicemeeter, the audio from your OBS now enters this place, and you can actually now route it, or you don't route it. You just know here that you have an audio. Maybe if you're somebody that stays, you can stay in Voicemeeter and say, okay, yes, sound is in OBS, without actually going to OBS, because you know that it is outputting here already. You don't need to give it an out so that it will not loop the whole thing. Seeing as we are actually sending it our mix. If this was our mix, we are actually sending it this mix through B1 or B2, because we are the Voicemeeter is now in charge of our audio. So if we click on B1 here, the sound will loop, or B2, they will be looping since you're already sending this sound out. So, but you can click on here to listen in, to actually confirm that it is working in our headset. You can click on A1 to listen in if our headset is our A1 output. But if not, it's just there for just monitoring that the output is okay. Next video is already waiting. Don't miss it.